Welcome all. Today we will learn that how to assign homework to the students through class notebook. So for this, you have to open your team, go to the team in which you want to give homework. For example, I'm having a demo note team here in my teams. So I want to give homework to all the students of this team. So just click on general. When you click on general, you will get on the top, you will get class notebook option. Click on that. For the first time, if you click on class notebook, it will take a little time there, 10-15 minutes there, to set class notebook for all the students of the class. And next time it will work very fast. Within a minute it will open. Now you can see the welcome screen there. On that screen you can see what you can do with the class notebook. You can see here store text, images, handwritten notes, attachment, links, voice, video and more. Means you can share any of the content with the students there. And each notebook is divided in 3 parts there. First, student notebook. It is a private space between teacher and the student there individually. So you can just give homework to the students and they will submit the homework to you, and you can just check that homework, and the student will come to know that okay, homework is checked. And now second one is content library. You can create your own content. It is a teacher's space only, only space that teachers can use it, and you can create anything here, handouts or some content or something. You can share with the students, but students cannot modify your content in the content library. Third is collaboration space. Here you can just do what? You can share, organize and collaborate some files where you and students all can contribute the content. So after this, I will tell you that how to assign the homework to student. Now you can see this arrow is what? Open navigation panel. In this panel you can see all the 3 parts plus the list of the students of your class. Now I want to give a homework there, so I will do what? I will click on teachers only. Then using the teachers only, then I will click on a page. You can insert section also, but I want to insert only page, so I will just insert a page and type the title for the homework, or you can say chapter name or whatever you want. So I am typing here chapter 3 mail merge. And write the question here. See, you can write the question, or you can do or insert the image of the question also if the picture form is there, or you can insert a PDF file also here. From the above menus you can see insert there, so you can do any of the things, but you can type it also here. So I am choosing the typing option. I can just type it here. So first question I typed here, describe mail merge. Second, write all the steps of mail merge. Now see, sometimes students don't understand what to do. They have to write or they have to post pictures or some. So you can provide some instructions before questions there. You can provide instructions there. This part of the class notebook will work as the same as MS Word. So you can apply any of formatting also you can apply, and you can give the instructions there. So I will type here. You can type or insert images of work done in copy. Now from teacher's side, I done the work, I given the homework to the students there. Okay, I create a file which is a homework, you can say. Now there is a requirement to distribute this homework to all the students there. For this, click on class notebook, click on distribute page, again distribute page. Then on the right side you will see some options will appear. So in which section you want to give, you can decide any section, or you can create a new sections also. Suppose the section already there, homework. So I will click on the homework section there and click on distribute. Now it depends on the number of students of your class. I'm having suppose 10 students only, that will work very fast. Otherwise it may take 5 to 10 minutes there, approx 5 minutes there, of a class of 60 students there. Now you can see done is there. So now it's done. From teacher side, I distribute the homework. Now it reaches to all the students there. Now I will show you the students part, that how students can view it and attempt this homework. So now I let you take to the students view. So I already open a student account there on my browser. So I will show you now. You see, now this is what student account is. So student has to click on the team demo note we are having. In this, he has to click on class notebook. And within a few minutes or second, he will see the same thing. He has to click on the panel, navigation panel. Now see, all the things are here, but teacher's content and other students' name will not appear. He can see only his name, so he has to click on the name. And as you click on the name, you can see that all the sections will appear. So he will click on homework section. Now this is the previous homework he had done. Teachers already check it, given the marks also. Now the new homework, chapter 3 mail merge. So he can see that okay, this is the homework he received. Now he can do what? He can read the instructions and work according to that. So for first answer, suppose he is opting to write the answer, so he can write also. So he's writing there answer 1. So I'm just giving a demo text for writing. So you can see here, just select word and just copy paste. So you can see it will look like some answer there. And you can see on the above side, he can use all the formatting options available there. Many are there, like Word we are using. So he can use it also. Now suppose in second question, he don't want to write. He is an option of having an option of inserting images. So you do what? Write answer, click on insert, and you can insert file also, picture from the file or from the camera. You can use your laptop. He can use his laptop camera also there. And now he is doing what? He is just searching for a file where he done the work. So he will just search where he gets some file there. Okay, for it. So now that he is searching for a file or image file there, but he can also use the laptop camera there. And he can just click the work he had done in the copy. He has to place his copy in front of the web camera and the button will appear. He just click on the button and just send it. Okay, now he just find the homework he done already. He just click choose and insert, and you can see his work start inserting the file. Okay, it's done now. So from his side also, his work is completed now. Now he have to do nothing, just click on any of the other options there. Now we will see the teachers, how the teacher will check it. Teacher has to click on class notebook again and then he will find review student work. He has to click on review student work, and the options will appear section wise. Now suppose he had, remember that okay, homework, he had given the section homework, so you click on the homework, click on next. Again, it may take some minutes there, 1 or 2 minutes there, or less than that. Now he has to select his homework, what he had given. Suppose he given the chapter 3 mail merge, he click on that, click on next. Now he will see on the screen all the students of the class or team will appear. He can just arrange them with the first name or last name. So he will check the first student there, suppose. Okay, he's not done the homework. So we can do, or the teacher can just put some note on that page. Suppose not good in writing, but you can put it like that, not done or something. Okay, and after that you just click on page locking, select the student you just checked, apply it, so that current student, those who had done, you had done the checking, will just locked, means he not able to just do some changes in that. Then we click on second student there. Okay, as in demo we include this student, so just he had done some work. So now from draw option you can just check them, check the work, mark the words, mistakes or something, and you can provide some numbers to them. Suppose class test is there or something is there. Now you can just check mark, and we can just provide some numbers there, and on the right side, left side, you can write the numbers like we are doing in the exams. So suppose he's getting some 5 out of 5, so we can write here 5 out of 5 there. You can draw it. And next we are having here that after this we can just again click on page lock. Okay, before that you can use the text also, like click on the A symbol, that is on draw. You can type the text also there, good work or whatever. You even can insert your voice also as a motivating voice or for motivation of the student there. Then click on the page locking, click on the student you just check, and click on apply. So this will lock the work of the student there, and in this way you can just check all the students, and they'll come to know, okay, this is my copy and this is my work done or checked. After this you can see here some options will appear. You can just record an audio for the student, so students can listen you. Okay, your motivating words were there, so they can feel some motivation. So this feature not only providing you to just check the copies, but we just try to replace the manual work here with that. Now we again go to the student work. Student will click on that class notebook, click on homework. Okay, he has to see that whether work is checked or not. You click on homework there, and previous work you can see. Now I click on chapter 3 mail merge, and he can just check his work. Okay, you can see that what I done as a teacher, see that, and you can see on the top that this page is locked. We apply the locking, that's why it's locked now. He can't edit this work, and like this he can have a record there, or teachers also have a record that okay, this work is checked. You can upload easily, and we can also try to replace the manual method of checking, copy checking, with this class notebook. So this is all about in the class notebook there. Then also we are having many options here. Later on we will share with you that what we are using, or you can also explore them. So it's the very easiest method of copy checking. You cannot replace that, but some sort of satisfaction we are getting, and students also getting. Okay, teachers are checking the copies, and we teachers also just check the copies of the student like this. So thank you all for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.